So let me quickly show you how to solve this HackerRank challenge. It says same tree. So you are given two binary trees and you want to check if these two trees are equal. So the first thing we want to do is to check whether both of the trees are empty. We check the root and then we check the left subtree and the right subtree. So basically we're going to compare this. I'm going to take a red pen. We're going to compare this with this. Then we are going to compare this right subtree with this right subtree, and then we compare this right subtree, left subtree with this left subtree. Actually, I'm mixing stuff. It's actually left and right, or right left. Okay, the easiest way to understand it is to simply start solving it. So we are going to first come here and say if both of the trees are empty. So if not P or and not Q. So in this case, both of these trees are empty, so we are going to return true because both of them are empty. Okay, so on the other hand, if one of them is empty, so if not P or not Q, in this case, one of them is empty and one of them is not empty, so we are going to return false. Okay, so the next thing we are going to now check, in this case, we have check that both of them are not empty, and we're also checking that one of them is not empty. So in this case, at this point, both of them has values. So I'm going to now check if p.val, I think val is the name of is a data attribute, is equal to q dot val. So in this case, we are going to simply return true. Return true. So the next thing we are going to check is, let me see, yeah, okay. I think we've checked basically all the base cases. So now we are going to move to the left and right subtree. So we are going to say, we are going to call this function on the left and the right subtree. So I'm going to say is same tree. And now I'm going to say p.left and q.left. Okay, so if it's same tree p.left and q.left, and we're also going to call the same function in the right subtree. So I'm going to say is same tree p.right and q.right. Okay, so if these two are the same, so if these two are the same and if both of them are the same, then it means the two subtrees are equal. So I'm going to simply return it, So I'm going to return this. If both of them are the same, then we are going to simply return true. If both of them are not the same, it will return false anyways. So let me see if I'm mixing up anything. Okay, so this should be fine. And I'm simply going to, I think I should have self here, self dot is, and then self here as well. Okay, so I think this is all we need to do. So let me see, return self dot is, same subtree, left and left, right and right. Okay, so let me run this code and let's see what we have. Okay, so it says on indent does not match, so I think it should be from here. Just see. Okay, so I'm going to run the code once again and let's see what we have. Actually, I have to put this in parentheses and run. Alright, so you can see that the answer is accepted, and I'm going to go ahead now to submit this code and let's see what we have. And it actually gave a wrong answer. Let's see where the problem is coming from. So if not P and not Q, return true. If not P or not Q, return false. If p.val is not equal to q.val, so this will get counter example here, return false. Okay, so I think it should be fine now. Alright, so this is the solution to this problem. So this actually executed so fast, 98% faster than 98% of submissions. So I'm going to stop here. I'd like to thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and please leave me a comment, like and subscribe if this has been informative for you.